As we go about our daily lives, we experience all kinds of influences from the outside world. We are inundated with countless frequencies flying through the air and invading our awareness. How do we react to these influences? Do we react with an instinctive anger? Do we try to combat all these frequencies? Swim against the flood of negative influences vying for our attention? How can we possibly hope to counteract these influences that enter through our senses 24 hours a day? At some point, we must realize that the control is in our hands. We can tune into the frequencies that feed, edify, and grow us, rather than the frequencies that have steered us to our current results. One of the most important things we possess is dominion over the influences pouring into our lives. Rather than being unaware of the negative, complaining about it, or trying to fight it, why not just notice once and for all that you hold the control?